Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make this Kumihimo Braid necklace. Let's get started. One thing I just want to mention, the finished product will be only half of the length you prepare. So this necklace is about 14 to 15 inches. Okay? Let's start. Gray, 4 pieces, 30-inch total. Same as blue, 4 thread, 30 inches, 4 pieces. Then white, same thing. Then total of 12 threads, I made a knot at one end. And make sure it's tight enough. Okay? Then you put the knot through into the round disc. Then let's set it up. White one, you hook onto 1, 16, 17, and 32, as you can see. Take your time. It's easy to get tangled, so just take your time. Blue, 11, 12, 27, and 28. And 12. Then gray, 5, 6, 21, and 22. And you pull a little bit, snuggle, and not too tight and not too loose. And I'm just making sure the number I hook onto. Then now you can start. Rule number 1. Disc shift to a counterclockwise. Okay, remember rule number 1. And rule number 2. Start with top thread all the time. Okay, top thread. Rule number 3. Pick up right thread on top and hook right side of the bottom. Then pick up bottom left, then hook onto left side of the top thread. Then shift counterclockwise. Then now pick up the right top, hook onto the right bottom, and tuck left bottom and hook onto left top. So you just watch the video carefully. It's easy. And you just keep doing this until you get the desired length. Again, I prepare 30-inch length of the yarn for each. However, finished product will be much shorter, probably half length. So if you want to make a longer necklace, you have to prepare longer thread. Okay? About the 1 hour, I kept doing it, and there we go, finished. So unhook the thread from the disc and tie the knot at the end. You don't really need to, but you know, I just want to make sure. I'm gonna cut it anyway, so I'm putting the some stuff to make a necklace. I cut the knot and I use the glue gun. You don't need to. If you want to use regular glue, that's fine. And by the way, the glue is super hot, so you gotta be very careful. I use my nail, so it wasn't that bad, but it's super hot. So you put the end cap for both of them. Okay? And this is optional. You know, I want to make the necklace this time, so you know, I want to use end cap. It's easy. Okay? So I put the end cap for both ends. There we go. And I am going to make a charm. I already put the jumping ring there, and I want to hook onto that. And this is totally optional. You can buy charm if you want, and you don't need to put any charm. Okay? So, you know, I'm not gonna tell you detail because it's really up to you. Okay? Good thing about this, you can actually change the charm, you know, every day. Or you can wear the just the necklace part without the any charm. It really depends, right? Good thing about the Kumihimo braid, it's easy, much easier than you think. And this is great project for kids. It's, you know, summer vacation, and you know, if kids has nothing to do, just let them make this. It's gonna be so quiet and a lot of fun. Especially girl. A girl likes, you know, accessory, right? Also, if you have tons of the scrap, thread or yarn, but you don't want to throw them away, you can, use all of your, scrap yarn. It's gonna be so much fun. Okay, and I will try to upload more Kumihimo Braid. As you can see, there's the square disc as well, and you can make different type of the braid. So I will keep uploading new technique. Okay, so enjoy.